so it's doing something. It's making this scary noise. Here, let me turn off my dryer. Oh no, 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 no. This is supposed to be airtight. Crap. You're not supposed to be coming out. No. Okay. Ow. Okay. This is. It's on airtight. I don't know what it's doing. What is it doing? Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't know what to do. There's my instructions. Port valve. It's not pressurizing if it's coming out of this thing. Okay.
Is it done? If it's working,
You made a big mess.
Can I see? Can you see the mess? Mommy, can I make?
Well, it's not on airtight now. It's on exhaust.
You broke it, Mommy.
I didn't break it. I am reading the instructions. And if your daddy asks, or Aunt Robin asks, I read the instructions on this. Floating valve.
Okay, come on. I like
Is the airtight exhaust valve knob on the top of the lid supposed to be loose?
Okay. Can you do
We're
that
not
for
cooking or
me,
using
Dad?
the unit. The valve knob 3 will be loose. It will turn 360 degrees and we even come off if you pull it on it. Once you start using the pressure cooker and the pressure has built up, the valve knob set to airtight properly, it will not be loose anymore.
Hold the puppy. I have.
Once you stirring, cooking, and pressurizing, steam takes heat from the valve. This indicates the valve is not sealed properly. Tongs or similar utensils gently, carefully adjust it so it's sealed properly. Oh my gosh.
Mommy, watch this. Look at this,
Oh
Mommy.
my gosh, I'm stressing out.
Mommy, look.
Yeah, get the puppy off your head.
Okay, you're
Okay.
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 Now this gonna be a very long time on this, okay?
Ah! It's counting down! That means I did something right! Bam! Except for this thing is not on the right setting. Don't Shit! Water's fucking hot. Whatever. Just cook. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I didn't turn this thing off.